we have to read the statements and we have to select the correct ones for Morgan experiment on linkage, right? So if we see the Morgan experiment over here, so he's been credited because he deciphered this term linkage, right? Also performed this particular experiment in order to define what it is for, right? So when he took this particular cross, he has took two characters. One is the body color, right, and the eye color. So when he crossed this, right, what he has found here is that the parental combinations that he have achieved here are 98.7% in the F2 generation, right? And the recombinants that we have got is only 1.3%, right? So what we could infer from here when he has performed the crosses, that because the parental combinations are too high, that means the genes that are responsible for these traits are too close to each other, right? Like for example, if we consider this cross, that these two genes Y and W, because they are too close to each other, then because of this closeness during the time of gamete formation, it is difficult to perform recombination between them, and that is why these genes are sought together, right? So usually if we consider, let's say this case, and we make the gametes out of it, so we consider that the genes are going to segregate, right? So all of the alleles could have possible combinations with each other. That means these genes are like this, right? So this R could come with capital Y, this R could come with this small y, this R could come with small y, and also with the capital Y, right? But now in here, if we see, then the genes are placed so close to each other, R and Y example. So these R and Y are so closely placed to each other that this R, like many times, like if let's suppose 100 events are occurring, so 90% of the time this R is going to assert itself with capital Y and this R is going to assert itself with small y, right? This segregation is going to occur rarely, right? Because the recombination is not possible here. They are so close to each other. So here in this case also, what happens is because of this close placement, what we are seeing is that the gene are sought together, and that is the reason why parental combinations are too high, 98.7%, and the recombinants are too low. But on the contrary, if the genes are far apart like this, then what happens is parental combination reduces now and the recombinants increased in comparison to this particular cross.